No Swimming Today by Jose Fernando Colon. Illustrated by Tom McKee. Sunday is the day that Marcos and his family do fun things together. Last Sunday, they went to the beach. Marcos loves the ocean. He loves to swim. He loves to run barefoot in the sand and chase the seagulls. He loves to smell the fragrant sea air and listen to the waves crash against the rocks. When they arrived at the beach, Marcos's father saw a big sign. It said, "No swimming today. Beach closed." Under the sign, in small letters, he read, "Contaminated water." "Oh, no!" shouted Marcos. "How can they close a beach?" "Well, Marcos," said Father, "if the water is contaminated, then it isn't safe for swimming." "What does contaminated mean, Papa?" "It means that there's garbage or unsafe chemicals in the water. It's a very big problem in the world today. Keeping the oceans clean is very important for people and for animals. Why don't you ask your teacher to help you learn about clean oceans tomorrow?" "I will, Papa," Marcos said. The next morning in class, Marcos shared his experience at the beach. "My family and I went to the beach yesterday, and it was closed. The water was contaminated." "How did the ocean get so dirty that they had to close the beach?" Anna asked. "How can we open it again?" asked Pete. "Well, boys and girls," said Mrs. Espinosa, "those are very good questions. I think Marcos has given us a perfect topic for this month's report project. Ocean pollution. Our wondrous oceans are becoming polluted or dirty." For 2 days, groups of students worked on their reports. Finally, it was oral report day. Garbage by Marcos, Anna, and Pete. Garbage is one cause of ocean pollution. Garbage can hurt sea animals and fish. Glass bottles, bottle tops, spray cans, old tires, and shoes can trap animals or hurt them. Fish can get trapped in old fishing nets left in the ocean. All the oceans are connected to each other. If garbage is dumped into one, it can easily travel to any other ocean in the world. Fishing nets can kill sea creatures. A water treatment plant. Sewage by Juan, Tanya, and Paul. When people flush the toilet, wash the dishes, or run the garbage disposal, the wastewater flows through pipes in their homes. This dirty water, or sewage, flows into the underground pipes of the sewer system. Then the sewage moves toward a body of water. Sometimes the sewage is treated or cleaned, but some sewage is not treated. When it flows into an ocean, the untreated sewage pollutes the water. The Prestige created a 30-mile-long oil spill off the coast of Spain when it crashed in November 2002. Oil spills by Leroy, Jenny, and Maria. Oil spills are a major cause of ocean pollution. Big ships called oil tankers carry oil supplies from one place to another. Sometimes they leak oil or crash into something at sea. They can spill oil into the ocean. Tankers spill millions of gallons of oil into the oceans every year. A great number of fish, sea otters, seals, penguins, and other birds and other animals die from the effects of oil. Now I understand why they have to close the beach if the water is polluted, said Marcos. Mrs. Espinosa, his teacher, asked the students to suggest ways to keep the oceans clean. This is what they suggested. How we can help keep the oceans clean. Learn about ocean pollution. Share what we learn with family and friends. Never throw garbage into the sea, in the sand, or on the streets. Recycle all our garbage according to the rules. Don't pour oils or chemicals into sinks or drains. Can you think of other ways to keep our oceans clean and safe?